Hello, friends. Welcome to Speak Podcast, where real stories spark real inspiration. My name is Angela, and today our episode is another extra special one because we are celebrating excellence, this time again, straight from the College of Nursing. Today, friends, joining us is someone who not only passed the recent nursing licensure exam, but made it to the top 10. So, as you may have noticed, she's been on the news lately. And so, today, let's dig into her story and the story behind this incredible achievement. This student is known for her humility, her heart, and her drive to serve. Ladies and friends, let us welcome Jeremy Solamilio, the nurse who's making us all proud. Hi,
Hello,
Jeremy.
ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm okay,
I'm
ma'am. I
really
feel
thankful
great.
to have you as a guest. And by the way, congratulations.
Thank you so much,
Yes, we are
ma'am.
also proud. Foundation University is very proud of you, and that's quite obvious, right?
Yes.
So,
With all the
first
recognition.
question. Yes, first of all, how does it feel to be top notcher in the nursing licensure exam? Has it sunk in, or are you still in disbelief?
Actually, ma'am, I'm still in disbelief
Oh,
because ever since the result na siya, wala pa jud na ako na talk akong self na
oh,
kuan na top notcher na ko, na RN ako. Wala jud kay daghan kay nahitabo.
okay.
I'm I've been to Cebu, then going back home with my parents, and then attended events after events. So,
Interviews.
yeah, interviews. So, in disbelief pa jud.
Yeah, I think that's understandable, no? Imagine talking to people from the press, from the media, the interviews, but she has not yet had time to talk to herself. Wow, still no, very nice of you. Now, what was the first thing you did when you found out? Did you cry? Did you scream or even call your mom?
Uh, let me share this. Actually, they told us that the result will come out at November 26.
Yes.
So we've waited jud until November 27 na lang man. Wala pa Japan ang result. So around 2 a.m., katulugan na jud ko. So I fell asleep. So in the morning at around 8:30, I woke up, and then for me it's just like a normal day. So matara ko, then nako, hala, result man di ay, gawas na day ang
Okay.
result ron. So open ako akong phone. Pag open ako sa akong phone, we're na jud naglag akong phone, ma'am, kay daghan king messages, calls, murag pag ano ka sa akong data, murag dili na masulod ang mga notifications mo. So nalibog ako, what is happening?
Yes.
Yeah. I think I passed. So I think I passed. Kay daghan king congratulatory messages. So,
Wow.
but the first thing I saw when I opened Facebook was the poster by Foundation University College of Nursing.
Your department.
And then I saw my name there on the top 10. So na-shock ko. Dito na ko nakakuan nga.
Did you cry?
Yes, ma'am. I really cried a lot. No, dito na kuan nga top notcher di ay ko. That's why daghan kayong messages and congratulatory messages nga naabot. So, moto I cried, and then naa na yung mga calls, and wala jud ako natubag. Wala na ko kabalga, kurog na ko.
Yes.
Nagahilak. So, si mama nanawag na ko. Wala pud nako siya natubag jud. Until nga, wala na lang siya nanawag. Kay, ana siya
Okay.
nga, maybe I'm doing whatever. So, wala na lang po siya nag-disturb ko na daw. So, after ato, naka-reply ko ni mama, I told her nga, ma, wala na ako natubag kay kuan pa ko, murag na
Overwhelmed.
Yes,
Yeah.
na-overwhelmed pa ko, ma. So, and siya, okay ra, tawag na ko niya balik na with your sisters. So, sige ma, then mo to. After that, so, before man sa akong review season, tig-visit jud ko sa mga churches, mag-pray jud ko sa akong wisdom and knowledge and guidance. So, that day jud nga nakabalo ko, I passed and I topped. I went back to all of those churches. So that was the first thing that I did. So init kayo, bisan init kayo jud, gilakaw jud ako ang mga churches. I was in Cebu that time. So I visited. I thank God for all the blessings, and that was really unexpected. Kay lagi ingon nila daghan kaayong mga takers, and the schools are very competitive when
True.
it comes to nursing. So getting a spot there was really hard. So I was very grateful to God's blessing.
Wow. It's really inspiring listening to you, no? A few times before I've seen you on campus, and very, very low-key type of
Yes,
woman.
Looking,
And
karon na
now,
spotlight ako,
yes,
ma'am. Dili na ako
exactly. No, I
carry.
can see that you are shy, but I can understand how overwhelmed you are. And I can't imagine the happiness that you felt now that you really got what you prayed for. And
Yes,
it's the best
ma'am.
thing to do is to thank people, to thank God, especially the churches that, wow. But we know that nursing school is no joke, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I know.
No joke.
Okay, first question. Can you please share with us your experiences, especially those meaningful experiences that you have had when you were still a student nurse?
So, meaningful experiences I have was with my classmates dyan. Nang, I've been with different people
Mm.
sa mga hospitals, and then together with my classmates, we serve the patients. We have a duty sa provincial hospital, sa mga private hospitals. So, dito na ako na meet different kinds of people from different walks of life. So, that was so meaningful for me. Every time our patients nga mo say sa mga thank you, sa mga, and then mingon na mga, sure ka student pa ka? Mura na lagi kag tinod nurse. So,
Wow.
ana dyan mi dito. Hala,
That's a
thank you kayo,
compliment.
sir.
Ah.
Ana dyan mi dito. So, murag mo ay drive nga maningkamot jud ta kay atong mga patients.
That's the heart to serve.
Thankful kaayo sila sa ato. So,
Yeah.
that's why. And of course, na ako mga ka-duty nga mga classmates, we're all like family man good. So, pag ma-duty ka, gaan ra kayo sa feeling. Although there are a lot of hospital works, napay mga exams,
Yes.
napay mga for the patients, imuhang buhaton. But then my friends are kaning chill ra kayo, so chill ra pod ko.
They're making things more bearable for
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
And I'm sure your dean, who is watching right now, is very proud. Shout out to Sir Jetri right there.
Hey, Sir Jetri.
Yes. Now that you have mentioned about exams and other works, now what kept you grounded and sane throughout all those exams, return demos, and the sleepless nights? No, dili lalim.
Yes, ma'am. First, Jude, is ang akong faith, yun ni Lord. Kay,
Yes.
entering nursing, actually, ever since, I don't have a nursing. I hate every course nga related to medical field because from the word hospital, murag mahadlok
Mahadlok
ko
Okay.
hospital. So, wala jud ko nag-thought nga, nikalit lang siya og nikalit lang og synced in nga, murag ganan ako mag-nursing. So, murag naka-think jud ko nga, wherever path I am taking, I'm always redirected to the calling.
Yes.
Nursing jud ang kuhaon. So, the faith alone, I really felt nga God called me to be a nurse.
Wow.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
really inspiring again. No, the faith really helps you.
Yes.
So we also know that behind every top-notcher is a story. Okay, so guys, as I have said earlier, let's get to know her more, no? Can you tell us a little bit about yourself, or even more, something that you want to share with us? Because I know that a lot of people are looking up to you now with your recent achievements. So can you tell us more about yourself?
So, I am from humble barangay of Tubud from Bacong, Negros Oriental. So, my father is a tricycle driver. He's working for around 30 years na jud, ma'am.
Wow, veteran.
Veteran,
driver
daghan siya
siya.
suki, ma'am.
Exactly.
Then my mother is a housewife. 5 mi kabuok jud actually. Ika-4 ko. So ako mga sisters go work na. So
Okay.
4 mi nga girls and 1 boy.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am. Then kinamanghara na mo is school na siya karon, first year college. So hapit na jud mi
Yes.
makahumantanan.
Happy na kay among parents.
Yes.
And then?
Nag-elementary ko, kalang nag-elementary school, public school jud. Dito ko na-hone, dito ko nakato nag-read and write. And my teachers there are very proud of me po. They've been messaging me sa akong achievement. Kay proud sila nga elementary teachers. And then, ang Chitiba akong high school.
Yes,
Dito sad ko nag-high school for my junior high school. They're also proud of, they are producing also top-notcher. And then, sa Dumaguete City National High School, dito ka
City
senior
High.
high school.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So, this is the very first time jud sa college nga nakasulod ko og private school.
Yes.
Yes. So, murag kaan kay siya overwhelming and pagtapak pa lang naka sa FU, makaingon ako nga, lahi ra jud ang kuan ambience,
Yes.
private school.
Yeah. How do you find FU?
Kuan ma'am, dream school ra gid ako siya kay nice
Wow.
kay environment ma'am.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, FU is really a dream school, and this school turned my dream into a reality.
Wow.
Jud. Yes, so wala jud ko nagmahay nga FU. So I told my parents nga I want to go to FU. And then nag-work po ko ato sa SPES ma'am sa OSL.
Oh,
Yeah, sa bookstore ko
Sa
ma'am.
bookstore.
Ano ko dito sa mga
working student.
Yes, nag-work ko ma'am, but di naman gud kaya sa schedule. So,
Mm-mm.
mo to nag-stop na ko. So, nag-focus na lang ko sa nursing. So, ano ko dito nga, I'll just use my siguro knowledge na lang para mahuman jud din ako kahit sa
Oo.
financial medyo lisod man jud.
Yes.
Pero nahuman na jud mo.
Yeah, we can relate to that, no? Kanang gikan ta sa humble beginnings, and we have our
Yes.
parents working hard for us to send us to school. I'm sure they're very proud right now.
Yes, super.
What did your father and mother say, or what was their reaction?
They're not so expressive, but they said that they're very happy. Yan sila, nakahuman na jud.
Yes.
Nakahuman ra jud.
Worth it
Tapos,
every penny.
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. So I'm sure you are someone who really studies hard. Were you an honor student during elementary or high school?
Yes.
Oh, that's why. So-
But it's not like on the top jud.
Yes,
So
uh-uh.
always ra ko almost on the top. So paingon ko nga, murag dili lagi ko enough. Murag dili enough kay di jud ako ma-reach ang top. So
Okay.
nag-graduate pud ko sa college, I did not get that Latin honor. Pero
Mhm.
almost jud pud. So
Okay.
makaingon ko nga, not enough gid siguro ko, but then the result came out. I finally said to myself that finally I am
Yes.
enough to top
Yes.
the board exam.
Yes, and it's not always about being a top during our studies, no? Because
Yes, ma'am.
even I have experiences with classmates who were just average during elementary and high school, but even in college. But right now, they're more successful than I don't know. Just this, I can relate to that feeling. Anyway, dear, speaking of that, can you tell us your study habit? One habit or study quirk that people might find funny or maybe surprising. How do you study?
I study like I teach myself. I
Mm.
think I have an
How?
edge in teaching.
You can be a CI.
So,
How?
ma'am,
How do you do it?
like I will read a concept and then
Mhm.
I will explain it to myself, and I also let myself answer. I will question myself. Oh, what will you do if the patient is like this, like that?
Mm.
So I will answer that. Then I'll be checking it on my books, my ebooks, and my reviewers if I've answered it correctly. So I don't like so much writing or pasting on the walls. I don't like that. I just really want to grasp the concept. So I teach it to myself, and then I do practice questions also.
Do you do it aloud when you ask yourself?
Yes,
like
ma'am.
magstorya
I
gyud ka?
love jud siya, ma'am. That's why
Wow.
nag-review ko. Ako lang jud sa ma'am. I
Mm.
don't review with my classmates jud.
Mhm.
Kay I talk aloud
Oh, they might find it.
ma-disturb niya sila.
Yes. Mm-mm.
Okay, some of my classmates man gud, they want quiet place.
Yes.
So I don't want to disturb them. That's why
Mm-mm.
I was alone.
Mm-mm. I used to hear that many student nurses spend so much time studying murag, until wee hours in the morning. They're still studying. Do you do the same?
No, ma'am. Actually,
Okay.
maybe you think that I study like until 5 a.m., 3
Yes,
a.m.
that was my
No,
first thought.
I don't do that. My routine is 8 to 5 study, and then but with naps. Yeah,
8 a.m.
8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay.
So I nap, and then balik ko study mga 8 p.m. na pod to 10 p.m. or sometimes lang jud ko maabot og 12 if lisod ang concept.
Okay.
But I don't go beyond. I really sleep.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
So-
6 to 8 hours jud ang sleep.
wow, that's very good.
Yes,
And that is something that our students need to hear. It doesn't matter if you stay up so awake just to what's important according to you is rest.
Yes, I love resting.
Okay.
It
That's
feels so recharging man good if you rest.
Mm.
So if you don't sleep, your mind doesn't work well if you don't sleep.
Exactly.
So guys, sleep jud. Do not put too much pressure, because that time that you sleep, your body recharges, and for the rest of the day that you study, you can grasp it easily.
Yes. Oh, that's really an eye-opening concept coming from our top-notcher again. Thank you for sharing that, Jeremy. Now, maiba lang. If your college journey were a movie, lahi pa ni siya nga question, what do you think would be the title and why would you choose that title?
I think, mom, it would be from sidelines to spotlight because I'm just a shy girl, manggod na lang ko sa sidelines. I don't really interact. Ano dito, then I just clap for people who achieve things.
Wow.
But now I'm on the spotlight that I really never expected.
Yes.
It was fun. I'm in disbelief, yeah.
Yes, and might as well enjoy the spotlight. Well, it's still there, and I'm sure you'll be busy in the next few months, probably. No, were you thinking of possible places that you intend to serve as a nurse? Ano kay mga plans of employment?
For now, I want to stay here in Negros.
Okay.
Maybe I'll be choosing some hospitals that we're gonna be working. But I really want to stay here support for my parents. They are senior citizens.
Oh, okay.
So I want to stay with them. My sisters are not here na in Negros. So that's why.
I think that's also a really good choice, a sensible one. So, as I have said earlier, many students look up to you now. So, what's one value or mindset that really pushed you through the challenges and then made a difference in your success right now?
I think do not be afraid to dream. Like even if you're not that good, but when you work hard and you study hard, you will really achieve those dreams. And then always be specific to God on what you ask for. And of course, do not give up. Even you fail many times, many of us failed. I failed so many exams that I think na di na dagi ko ma-RN. But here I am, an RN and a top-notcher. So just dream, just pray, and work hard, study hard, and always let God handle the rest.
Wow, thank you so much,
you,
Jeremy.
ma'am.
Those are really beautiful words to share with our viewers right now. So now that you are officially an RN and a top-notcher at that, okay, what do you want to do probably for fun, non-academic and stress-free? Something for fun. You know you're resting right now. The results were out. So are there any plans that you have in mind?
I just want to go to the beach. Okay, the beach here in Negros is so calming man jud kayo. So,
Negros gihapon.
yes,
You don't want to
ma'am,
go
I
to
love
Boracay,
Negros.
Palawan. Well, you have 100,000 from Foundation University. Speaking of that, no, we were just very happy for you. I'm sure
Thank
you were
you,
surprised
ma'am.
of the 100,000.
Yes, I'm super
Okay.
surprised. Like,
Okay.
ano ko dito nga, dako kaayo jud siya, ma'am.
Yes.
Like, mura ganing, wala gyapon ko kwarta. Kaya wala naman siya gi-accept jud nga ako. Like, diya ra ka, kung
Okay.
need ra ka, unsa ra ka gamiton.
That's really interesting. I like you, really.
Thank you.
Really. Now, lastly, what's your message to our aspiring nurses out there who also want to dream big, but they're just a little bit overwhelmed by the pressure?
My message to you guys, nursing is really hard and then it's expensive. But when you put it in your heart and think about of your family, your patients, and of course the CIs, I know our clinical instructors really believe on us. Maybe you could say nga, they are making our lives hard, but when you take the board exam, you will realize katong discipline nga gihatag sa mga clinical instructors na gamit jud nimo, and you will bring that on the field pohon jud.
Okay.
So do not be discouraged for the failures or the challenges that you encounter. Just continue no matter if ma-delay or natay mga failures nga maagian.
Yes.
Continue because when you became an RN, the feeling will be so very sweet and blessed jud kayo.
A sweet feeling. You know what? I also believe that delays are blessings in disguise
Yes.
sometimes. So to all our students out there, take her words to heart because those are really inspiring and heartwarming. Wow. So anyway, What else? Since you talked about your instructors, do you want to greet them right now, or your classmates and
Yes.
friends out
Hi,
there?
ma'am, sir. I don't want to mention na I've mentioned it in the speech na.
Yeah.
But kung ma-mention ko rin, basin ako'y malimtan.
Okay.
But I am so thankful to all of my clinical instructors since first year to fourth year. Grabe jud. They really believed in me, ma'am. So they are also my inspiration kay. And of course, the discipline nga ilahang gihatag, the courage. They visited us in Cebu even there is a typhoon. So you can
Wow.
really see the efforts and the support of the Foundation University College of Nursing to all of us
Yes.
student nurses. So thank you, ma'am, sir, and Sir Jetri. Thank you so much. So this success of this batch is all for you.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you as
Thank
well to
you,
our guest
ma'am.
again. I get a little emotional when I'm looking at you right now. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that ends or that concludes our episode for Speak Podcast. Again, a huge thank you to Jeremy right here, our nursing top notcher, for sharing your story
Thank
with us.
you.
Now, I've learned something from you today that success is not just about intelligence, it's also about grit, kindness, and believing in your purpose. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and don't forget, keep striving, keep learning, and keep speaking up.